Hi, this video will focus on measurement, specifically looking at both perimeter, area, and volume as well. When considering the perimeter of a shape, it is calculated by adding the distance of the outside of the 2D shape. In this instance, we've got 8 meters, 4.5 meters, another side 4.5 meters. This angled line here is 500 centimeters, and over here is also 500 centimeters. These 5 sides need to be added in order to calculate the perimeter of the shape. As there are both meters and centimeters within this 2D shape, we need to make sure that we convert them so that they're all the same unit. So considering 500 centimeters, that's equivalent to 5 meters. So when adding the 5 sides, ensure that they are all using the same units. I've added all of these 5 sides to equal 27 meters, making sure that I include units. The area of this shape can be found by separating it into the 2 shapes that it's made out of. So a composite shape has, this one has a rectangle and a triangle up above. So we'll find the area of each shape and then add them together to find the total. So the area of the rectangle uses the formula length times width, and the area of the second shape, the triangle, uses the formula base times height divided by 2. Making sure we include units every single time. So length times width, the length is 8, the width is 4.5. Multiplying those together, 36 meters and squared, always squaring units for area. The area of the triangle, we've got the base is 8, the height is 3, and divide that by 2. The area of the triangle is 12 meters squared. And final calculation to work out the total area, that'll be the area of shape 1 plus the area of shape 2, 36 and 12. The total area of this composite shape is 48 meters squared. Some important area formulas to remember include the area of a square as side squared, the area of a rectangle as length times width, the area of a triangle as base times height divided by 2, and lastly the area of a parallelogram as base times height. Finally, our focus will be on volume, finding how much space does a 3D object occupy. The shape we have here is a rectangular prism, and the volume formula for a rectangular prism is length times width times height. Length times width times height. Making sure that your units are all in the same type of unit, converting if necessary, before multiplying those 3 values together. And finally, your units will have cubed represented on them.